So I've got a fill going on here over dam by dam busters. Let's just slowly get some of that sediment going. It does go trickly into here, which is still 3 centimetres high and pouring, so it does drain. But then this is filling here, and we did this the other day. It's got some gradient there, and it goes to the corner and then fills up. So this is what you're looking at with the roof, with everything kind of as good as it can be without the pebbles. That will eventually get ahead on it and get to the hopper. You can see it's about to go. You've got a good gradient up there, but it's just when it gets to this corner here. And you can see some of the sediments flowing back. So it's flat, or it's got gradient going that way. So it takes it back to the corner, but then you get like there enough water that in a minute it keeps flowing back. We're nearly there, we're not quite, we're not ready for it. Have another go. You can see this, and it's trying to get, and then eventually it will go as it's done now, and then the water, the fluid dynamics of water will suck it down as it is now. And look, it's pouring it into the little thing there. So that is it. What's happening up here, my hoppers, I mean, that is very deep in water. That, it's got 4 centimetres of water in that hopper. And that's cut through, so what can you do there? You can cut the membrane, put some foam in, get it at that level, take it up 4 centimetres. It's a lot of work, but anyway, dam busters are still busting dams. It's a little bit of water out there. Did we take off dam busters? That's flowing down there. These are all questions that need to be answered. More than it is normally. It's going down to my baggy sponge. The problem is with this, I can't simulate heavy water, but I can fill it up quite a lot. I'm going to do some height measurements in a minute of what I'm doing now is filling this 25 litre bucket, and I'm going to simulate a torrent of water going down there, and I'm going to have my measuring place to see how high it gets here. So that's going to be in place. I'm going to drop the bucket of water down here, and away we go.
Hang on, yeah, it's going.
25 litres and it got up to 3. Water coming down there. Right. So this is just the last video really. It's kind of, that rain hopper is kind of flat. So this is holding at about 32 mil. So there's 32 mil of water in that, standing. Let's call it 30 if it sinks a little bit, but it's still a lot of water to hold there. That could be the reason why somebody put that there and why we are where we are. But anyway, that's the last bit. This is the kind of final video, but there's about, it doesn't get, it's got the ever so slight stream there, and all that standing water here, because the gradient's not right. I've done lots of measurements, but just to, you can see hopper there really.